Hi everyone, here's Chogori. My name is Serena. Let me introduce our company for everyone. We specialize in high reliability connectivity solutions for e-bike. Chogori can do the customized and also the standard platform connector for the OEMs and system players. Our products build the core advantages of waterproof durability and stable signal transmission, which differentiate from the close collaboration with customers. We support industry innovation in two key ways. One is our standard platform connector. Another one is the core development design with customer. So now here is our standard connector with the Maxon LS drive system launched together. Let us see the details for this design. We address the critical user pain point in charging scenarios, secure locking mechanism, implement an audible click feedback system that confirms positive locking, vibration-resistant design, maintains connection even on rough terrain, and exceed 1,000 mating cycles durability testing. And good usability. The friendly oversized release lever and IP67 rated dust water protection while maintaining easy operation. Here is our smallest waterproof connector Pico B 2 to 3 pins. The IP rating can meet IP67. Let's talk about our customization with our customers. Like recently, the Specialized, the Malheur, the Maxon, the DJI, the TQ, and our other customers use our connectors to launch the new system. So we can talk about how we can cooperate with these customers and how to design these connectors with the customers. For brands like Specialized, we provide a deep customization service to customers. Like every week, every year, we have the weekly meeting with the customer to understand their application, to design most suitable products with the customer. And we following our company standard and the international standard IATF 16949 to customer, and we get the UL certificate to support customer e-bike UL 2849 certification. So that's us.